We are going to start the third part of class 9 science chapter 2, that is each matter around a sphere. In the previous part we have already discussed mixture. Now we can discuss the mixture is generally two types. The first one is homogeneous mixture, second one is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means a mixture in which different constituents are mixed uniformly. Means the compositions are uniform, means same composition and orderly arrangements, and they can't be have physically distinct part, and here no distinct parts will arise. The third one is the constituents can't be easily seen, and this homogeneous mixture, these constituents are can't be seen. Means example, salt water. In salt water solution, when salt is added to this water, then the salts particles are not seen in the solution. And the last one is this: in this constitution, the constituents cannot be easily separated. But in otherwise heterogeneous reaction, a mixture in which different constituents are not mixed uniformly. In heterogeneous mixture, non-uniform compositions placed throughout. And the second one, they have physically distinct parts, and it can be easily seen. And the last one is it can be easily separated. Now we give some examples of both this mixture in homogeneous mixtures. What are the example? Salt solution, lemon water, sugar solution, etc. But in heterogeneous mixture, cheese, crust, tomato juice, cyanide solutions. Okay. Then comes to solution. Solution, it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Means solutions क्या है? Two or more substances का mixture, and it is homogeneous mixture. These components of the mixture can be 2, 3, 4 or many. Example, we can take lime water. Means when lemon is added to this water and small sugar particles to be added, then it is called lime water. In lime water there are 3: water, lemon and what? Sugar. Means it is a mixture of homogeneous mixture, and this is called a solution. But the common type of mixtures are binary. Means one solute, the next one is solvent. Solute means we can take example salt water. Here salt is solute, this is particles, but water is solvent. What is the solute? Constituent present in less amount, and it dissolves in solvent. Solute means this is the constituents present in less amount in solution, and this solute can dissolve in solvent. It is called solute. But in what is solvent? Constituents present in more amount, and it is solute get dissolves, means solid water. Here water can when present in large amount, means this is solvent, and in this solution the salt content is less, means it is solute. Next comes to characteristic of solution. The first one is it is homogeneous mixture. Now, and its compositions can vary. Some compositions are large, some small, and the size of particles are very small. In the solution the particle size is very small, and it does not scatter light. Means when when the light can pass out this solution, but then it does not scatter, means we cannot see is the distinct part. And the last one is it can be separated by physical method because it is not stable. Suppose, so we can take example salt water. When we heated salt water by the evaporation process, means it is easily separated by physical method. Next comes to the types of solution. First one, miscible, immiscible and partially miscible liquid. Miscible liquids, the liquids are liquids which are able to mix. means what is miscible liquids? In miscible liquid, liquid plus liquid when mixed, then it is miscible liquids. Suppose alcohol and water, this is called hard drinks. Means in hard drinks both alcohol and water are liquids and they are easily mixed, then it is called miscible liquid. Okay, next comes to immiscible liquid. Immiscible liquid means liquids which are unable to mix. Means immiscible liquids means those are liquids and liquids unable to mix, like oil and water. In oil and water does not mix together. Then comes to partially miscible. When liquids dissolve to some extent to form solution, it is called partially miscible. Means when liquids dissolve to some extent, means this is partially miscible. That when we can add soda water to orange juice, then it is partially mixed in orange juice. Okay. Generally solutions are two types. First one is aqueous solution, second one is non-aqueous. Aqueous solution in which solvent is water. A solution in which solvent is water, it is called aqueous solution. Example, suppose salt solution. In this salt solution, what? Salt is solute and water is solvent, means this is aqueous solution because in this solution water is solvent. Next one is non-aqueous solution. The non-aqueous solution is what? In which solvent is other than water. मीन्स यहाँ पे वाटर सॉल्वेंट नहीं होगा, वाटर के अलावा बाकी सब जो है उसको सॉल्वेंट जो होता है उसको बोलते हैं दिस इज कॉल्ड नॉन एक्वस सॉल्यूशन. एग्जाम्पल अल्कोहल्स, बेंजीन्स और सॉल्यूशंस एक्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट कम्स टू सेचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. Solution that dissolve as much as solute as it is capable of dissolving. Means example sugar and water. When sugar is added to this water, its stage is reached when it is dissolved in water, and it is the capability in which sugar is completely dissolved in water. मीन्स एक ऐसा स्टेज आता है जिसमें वाटर जो शुगर जो है वाटर में डिजल्व होता है और उससे ज़्यादा और डिजल्व नहीं होता, वो कंप्लीट डिजल्व होता है. इसी लेवल को हम बोलते हैं सेचुरेशन लेवल और दिस सॉल्यूशन इज कॉल्ड सेचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. नेक्स्ट वन इज अनसैचुरेटेड solution. The solution in which more quantity of solute can be dissolved without rising its temperature. What is unsaturated solution? Means a solution in which more quantity of solute can be dissolved. Example, suppose sugar water. When sugar is added to water, then when again increasing in temperature, then more amount of sugar is added, then it is completely dissolves. This is called unsaturated solution. Next comes to supersaturated solution, in which the amount of solute dissolved is greater than its solubility. Means the amount of solute can dissolve the solubility से greater. इसको बोलते हैं सुपर सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. मीन्स सुपर सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन इन विच अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट डिजॉल्व इज ग्रेटर देन इट्स solubility. Then comes to solubility. Solubility is the amount of solute that get dissolved in given amount of solvent at a particular temperature. Means what? At a particular temperatures, it is the amount of solute that get dissolved in solvent. It is called solubility. Means in particular temperatures कितने amount of solute solvent में dissolve है, it is called the solubilities of the solution. On lowering temperature, solubility of liquids and solid decreases and the solubility of gas remains unaffected. Means only liquid and solids solubility decreases, but in gas remain unaffected. But on increasing pressure, solubility of gas increases, but solubility of solid and liquids remains unaffected.